Good afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon, everyone. My name is Gallardo Venus Ellen. What is job analysis? Is the systematic process of collecting and examining details information about a specific job, including its tasks, duties, responsibility, social skill, requires qualification, and work environment to understand what the job entails and what kind of person is needing to performance it effectively. Ang job analysis is maano siya ang nag-process sa where organization carefully about study sa job. Itagan sila ang task or job na involved sa mga trabaho. Next, task duties. Task is mao ni ang paggawain. Ang duties is tungkulin siya. Muna siya ang mga igawain. Example, 1. Influence those ability mana siya adlaw. Number 2. Responsibilities mana siya ang nag-anta sa ng accountability sa position na siyang responsibilidad siya mana siyang Next, number 3 is skill or abilities. Ang skill muna siya ang ng kayahan sanayan ba? Sanayan. Ang mga skill. Ibawa, ang skill man siyang paggamit ng software. Muna siya. Example, ang kayahan man siyang paggamit sa pagluto sa mga problema sa trabaho kung nasa iyo na example. Knowledge, experience, education, certification, and layer of experience required. Ma'am na ang knowledge man ang kaalaman. Ang experience sana siya man siya. So nag-antas na siya sa edukasyon or certification kung dati sila nagkanarasan sa kailangan nila. Number 5. Work condition. Ang work condition, the physical and environmental aspect of the job. Muna siya ang nag-condition sa mga trabaho. Muna siya ang napastika sa environmental condition kay muna siya nagtrabaho. Next, number 6. Performance standard. How success in the role is measured. Ang performance standard is mana siya ang pamantayan sa mga pagganap nila sa trabaho or successful sila o na. Ayun, malay sila ang success or good performance nila in the job. Mature nila, malang matured sila ang trabaho sa ba na. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, classmates.
So, good day everyone. I am the second reporter of Group 3. My name is Flor de May Idaya. So today I discuss the steps in conducting the job analysis. So why we need to study the job analysis man? So job analysis, it is the process used by organization to understand the job in detail. It identifies what job involves, the responsibilities of the worker, and the qualification that needed to perform the job efficiently. So this process helps to the HR make better decisions in hiring, training, and evaluating employees. So the following are the main steps in conducting the job analysis. So first is determine the purpose of job analysis. So in these steps is to identify why the job analysis is being conducted. The purpose of this is maybe for recruitment, training, performance evaluation, or salary planning. By knowing this purpose, it helps to the HR focus the right information. So for example, Ani is a company wants to hire a new cashier. So the purpose of the job is to create a clear job description for recruitment. Second is select job analyze. So these steps is decide which job will be studied. So not all job analyze in the same time. So mas i-prioritize nila ang mga importance or new position. So for example, ani is sa restaurant, mag-analyze sila sa mga job like sa chief waiter and customer because there are the key rules man sa ilaha. The third is collect job information. So in these steps is information about the job is gathered using methods such as interview, survey questionnaire, observation, or employees record. So for example, ani is ang HR mag-interview sa current waiters and mag-observe siya kung giunsa niya pag-serve ang customers para masabtan niya ang mga daily tasks ani sa employees. Four is identify job, tasks, and responsibilities. So, after nimo makulik ang data, ang HR is i-identify niya ang duties and responsibilities of the job. So, what is done, how it is done, and why is done. So, in these steps, provide a clear understanding of the rules and expectation. So, for example, ani is sa cashier, nag-includes ka sa receiving payments, using receipts, and assisting customers. Number 5 is determine skills and knowledge and abilities. So in these steps is focuses on the qualification that needed to perform the job successfully. So skills is learned abilities. So knowledge is information or education. Abilities is natural capabilities. For example is sa cashier. So ang imong need na skills sa cashier is basic math. And sa knowledge is understanding of cash registration operation. And sa ability is ability to work quickly and accurately rather. Number 6 is analyze work environment and condition. So in these steps, i-assess nimo including physical, social, and organizational condition. So the factors that include of this is work hours, safety hazard, and need for team. So for example, ani is mag-work ka tapos imong environment is saba kayo. So na possibility na ang imong na dili ka maka focus sa imong work tungod sa kasaba. Dayon ang number 1 example po ani is sa safety. ang safety is one of the important kay para ma-avoid nimo ang mga accident na naka sa trabaho. So number 7 is document job description and job specification. So all the information is written into two. First as job description. So job description, it refers to the duties and responsibilities, and specification is refers to the qualification and requirements. So for example ani is sa job description is mag-serve ka og food and mag-assist ka sa mga customers. So sa job specification is high school graduate ba ka or good communication skills ba ka sa mga customers. So number 8 is verify the information. So in these steps, information is reviewed and confirmed by employees and supervisor to ensure the accuracy. For example, ani is ang mga supervisor or mga HR, mag-check sila sa mga job description para ma-confirm nila ang mga task bitaw sa mga staff is correct ba and accurate ba siya. And number 9 is use the job analysis for HR decision. So this is the final task. So the result of the job analysis are used in HR activities such as recruitment, training, and compensation. For example of this is ang HR nag-base sa mga for example ani is based on job analysis, HR create training programs for employees and sets fair salaries. So na possibility ani if good imong performance, na possibility na ang imong position is mo taas and then imong salary is mo increase pud siya tungod sa imong performance na imong gipakita. So that's all my part and thank you.